Hi everyone! I have some really cute DIYs and they can make great gifts too. So let's start out with number one. I got these cute little triangle boxes from Dollar Tree, of course, and the ribbons came from Dollar Tree also. And the little gems that you get in the sticker section, that's where I get those, and they're already adhesive, so you can just pull them off and put them on any little DIY you might be doing. So I'm going to glitter these cute little triangle. They can be houses, they can just be in any sort of set that you might want to use, especially for Christmas. These are really fun to make too. I really enjoy making these because they're simple and they're quick and they're easy. Now I did take these outside and spray paint them. So I really don't show my spray painting anymore because you just take it outside, put some cover down, and normally I try to get the Rust-Oleum at Walmart. And I recently went to Dollar General, and Dollar General spray paints are cheaper than Walmart. So that's a quick little hint for you. I had thought to myself, I didn't want to go all the way to Walmart because it's quite a different distance away from me. So Dollar Tree was right down the street. Not Dollar Tree, Dollar General was right down the street. And I didn't know if they had it or not, but they did, and it was cheaper than Walmart. So that's just a quick little hint for you if you want to save some money. Now they don't have as many colors, but they do have your basics, like white, red, beige, and they do have like blue and some other colors. But yeah, look how pretty this looks. Just a simple little adhesive, and it really brightens up this triangle house. And now I'm taking the ribbon from Dollar Tree. It's the one that also looks like it's got rhinestones in it, but it doesn't. But it gives that appearance, and it just makes for a really nice embellishment when you're going to put these in your decor. That way you can see it from the sides, and it just makes it look so much prettier. So on this, I'm using my glue gun. And like I said, you can cut these to fit. You can cut them down the middle. You can cut them however you need to cut them. And I just do a little zigzag, and I just put it right on top of the glue. If you're hanging out with me today, I would love for you to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell, and that way you'll know when our next video is coming out. Now this sort of netting, I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's like a silver shimmery, so I use that as my background, and it just makes it look like there's little sparkles coming from behind. And I'm just adding a little bit of glue. And that's it. Look how pretty that is. It's a really pretty netting. And they had it out for Christmas, so I thought, wow, I'm going to use this. This is really pretty. Okay, I have some of that, what would you call it? It's what they put in pillows. It's like a cotton, yeah. And I'm just going to use it as snow. I pulled it out of a pillow. I guess it's like a batten. I got these cute little deer. You get 2 of them at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on his little feet. And I'm going to glue him inside this little box. And it's so pretty. It's just simple and pretty. And this is like a 5-minute craft, really. So if you needed to make some quick gifts, you can just get some glue out, get these little triangles from Dollar Tree, and add any embellishments that you might have. I thought this would look good as a pair, because that way you can set it in your home decor on both sides and then add something in the middle. And I pretty much did the exact same thing that I did to the first one. So it's a replica of the first one, except for what's going to go on the inside. But you could make them too. Now this is the little lights that you get from Dollar Tree, and they have these little crystals in them. So I used probably 2 of them. I had 2, and I'm just using the little crystals. It's the little LED candles. And I have this pretty angel that's from Dollar Tree also. Now the angel lights up, but I'm not going to use it as a light up. I mean, you could if you want to, but I ended up not using it and just turning it off. And then I'm adding these little crystals. And actually the batteries ran out, so that's why I didn't use it. Yeah, these little candles, you just turn them and they light up. But it's got a little piece of paper on top that you have to take out for it to light up. They just twist off, and you just... So if you want to put them in your little deer triangle house, you can do that also. So I think these look pretty with the lights and also without the lights. I have another light that I used, which you can switch out if you want to. I got these off of Amazon. Got this cute little house and a star. So I'm showing you different ways to actually decorate these boxes. There's so many different things that you can use in it. So here's another different way to use it. I have the little house that I'm going to use now. And actually you can make 3 of these if you wanted to. And there's another way. So just use your creative ideas and come up with something cute that you can build these little boxes with. They make great little gifts. They look great in your decor. And this is another little simple way to do it. I love the white deer. I just think it looks so elegant. It's this very traditional, very elegant. I think this also makes a really pretty gift. Okay, my next DIY is this cone. You get 2 of them at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm going to use it as a Christmas tree, and I'm cutting off the base. And I actually have this over by my front door because I ended up using it with light so that it would light that little entryway because it's really dark over there. So you can actually put lights on it, or you don't have to put lights on it. And I'm using my chalk paint. It's the linen, and I'm going to paint this. It is plastic, so it does need quite a few coats. As you can see, it's going to need more than 1 coat. It is that bright orange. I'm using my heat gun to sort of just dry it out so I can continue to paint it. Okay, I have this glitter that I've had for a while. I think I got it at Walmart. And I'm using my Mod Podge, so I'm going to glitter this cone, which is going to be my Christmas tree. So it's always fun when you have to use glitter. And I'm just doing it section by section, so I'm going to go around the cone and just continue to put the Mod Podge down and then glitter. So it's Mod Podge, glitter, Mod Podge, glitter. And then if you have any like spaces after you finish at the end, you can go back and add a little more Mod Podge and put more glitter. This turned out really pretty too. I think this would be cute next year for Halloween as candy corn because it's already orange. And you could probably do something with it. I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking as I'm looking at it, it could be used for something like candy corn and some of your Halloween decorations. See how you have to come back and just hit some spots. So you just come back, hit some more spots with the Mod Podge, and then add some more glitter. Now you can save the glitter that you didn't use and put it back in the jar, as long as it's not wet. I'm going to use this light that I got from Amazon, and I'm gluing it to the inside. Right now I'm just using masking tape. And then I'm going to wrap it around the tree. This has got a really pretty shine to it too. It's a really pretty glitter. Now, at first I put an angel on it. And then I was thinking I sort of like the angel, but I wasn't really like thrilled with it. And then I decided to change it, as you will see in the next minute or two. I mean, it looks good with an angel, don't get me wrong. But it wasn't exactly what I wanted. But it does look pretty when you light it up. Like I said, those lights are really bright. I get the bright white ones. So I decided to change it to a star, which I think is much more appropriate for a tree, because we always put stars on top of our Christmas trees. So I like this better. I just think it made it look more like a Christmas tree. And there it is. Isn't that pretty? It really did turn out pretty. I have it in my foyer, and that way I can light it up, because it's a really pretty, it's the bright whites. And look how pretty that is. It looks quite elegant too. Love the way it turned out. I hope you guys get to make something like this also. There's the deer, which I think's turned out so pretty. Very elegant. And then there's the little one with the little house. I hope you guys will subscribe, and I want to thank you for watching and hanging out with me today. So if you would subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell, share with your family and friends, and then I would just hope that you are having a wonderful week and that you get to make some really cool DIYs for your family, for your friends, and just thank you for watching. You really are great. So just take care of yourself and each other, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.